Hello and welcome to the fifth video of the Custom Home Building for Newbies series. Custom Home Building for Newbies by Creekside Willows is a book published in Amazon with more details on the custom home building process that would help anyone new to custom home building to understand the process from buying a land to building a house, so that they are better prepared if they decide to build a custom home. The video series shares some highlights from this book. In the previous videos, we touched upon various options available for building a new home, the challenges involved in building a custom home, and ways to reduce the overall duration and cost of the project. We also looked at the process of buying land, including conducting feasibility studies along with building design and permitting processes. The fourth video also addressed the various activities involved in site preparation. In this fifth video of the series, we will go over the key steps involved in building a house. These are the steps that the building contractors generally include in their bid. As discussed in the other videos, the remaining tasks involved in building construction are generally not included in the building contractor's quote, and those activities have to be budgeted and planned through a different contractor. Once the initial site preparation and the foundation excavation is completed, the building contractors initiate the construction by starting with the foundation, footing, and wall. The building construction generally takes between 6 and 8 months. However, it can vary depending on the size of the building and complexity of the design, availability of labor, material, weather, mistakes and reworks, dependencies on inspections and approval at each stage, etc. As mentioned in the previous videos, weather also plays a key role during the entire construction. Framing, truss, and roof installation follows after the foundation is completed. Plumbing, electrical, and HVAC is initiated after that. They are done in 2 phases. The first phase involves installing all the connections and provisioning for them, and the second phase of actually connecting the appliances, faucets, air conditioning, etc. are done after the insulation, drywall, and painting are completed. Doors, windows along with trims will be installed after the insulation and drywall work is completed. The painters generally remove the doors to paint them and reinstall after the painting work is finished. Cabinets, countertops, backsplash installations start after the painting is completed. Flooring work generally starts after the cabinets are finished and before the appliances can be installed. The duration of the flooring installation varies depending on the type of floor, wooden, tiles, laminates, or vinyl flooring. The choice often depends on the budget and preferences. The gutters can be installed after roof installation is completed and can be done in parallel, while many of the internal work happens inside the house. Care should be taken while installing gutters so that they slightly slope downwards towards the downspout to avoid water collecting in the gutter. Also, it is a good idea to install gutter protection like filters or leaf guards. They help avoid leaves and other debris from collecting in the gutter, causing clogging and other issues. Fire sprinkler system is also installed in 2 phases similar to electrical or plumbing. As mentioned in previous videos, fire sprinkler systems are not applicable or mandatory for all houses. They are required depending on various factors, including the accessibility of the fire trucks to the property and the reach of the fire hose around the entire building. More details are mentioned in the book, including every step involved from buying land, conducting feasibility studies, designing, permitting, site preparation, building the house, exterior work to be done, etc., along with ways to save time and cost at each of these steps. The Custom Home Building for Newbies book is available in Kindle, ebook, and paperback formats at Amazon that has more details on the end-to-end custom home building process, mentioned step by step from buying land to building house, along with overall timelines and ways to save time and money. The other videos of this series cover different steps involved in building a custom home. More details are available in the book. You can purchase it at Amazon. Custom Home Building for Newbies by Creekside Willows. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.